Hey guys. So we're gonna have to play a new song. And unfortunately it's just gonna be me, but I hope you like it, nevertheless.
I love it!
Walked in, said I got some news. Didn't say all I wanted to. You know I told you that I wasn't scared when I lied. You told me, babe, I only think of you. Said all I got is a bunch of sad stories, and we told them all before the night was through, and we cried. And I'm trying hard to make you love me, but I don't wanna try too hard. And I was trying hard to take it lightly, but we're here now. Those fireworks now are the only place that I can breathe out. And those fireworks now are home. And those fireworks now are the only place that I can feel. And those fireworks now are home. Falling at the hand of a perfect man. And I'm trying hard to make you want me, but I don't wanna try too hard. I was thinking you got what you came for, but you're here now. Those fireworks now are the only place that I can breathe now. And those fireworks now are home. And those 3 words now are the only thing that came to save me. And those 3 words now are home. Falling at the hand of a perfect man. Thank you so much, Ellen.